To access data from the National Weather Service water level data, go to water.weather.gov. A map will appear with the default display of river observations. The map has squares, circles, and diamonds to represent the stations, which will be displayed in any of the following colors: purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, brown, light gray, or dark gray. Circles indicate that probability and forecasts are available for that station. Diamonds are used for stations where observational data is only available. Squares indicate that forecasts or future water levels are available for that station. Purple indicates major flooding. Red indicates moderate flooding. Orange indicates locations with minor flooding. Yellow indicates the station is near flood stage. Green indicates that there is no flooding. Blue indicates that the flood category is not defined. Brown indicates that the station is at or below the low water level threshold. Light gray means that observations are not up to date, and dark gray means that the station is out of service. Above the map in the top left, there is a drop-down menu where the stations can be filtered. Filtering options include hydrograph-only locations, hydrograph and forecast locations, inundation mapping locations, near or above flood state locations, or at or below low water threshold locations. To view a specific location, use the plus sign to zoom into a specific area, or click and drag the map to find a station to view. When you click a location, another window will open that is zoomed into the area that was clicked. Once the second window opens, you can hover over different locations to see a mini view of the water level graph for that station. If you click on a station again, that will open up another window. On this new page, a graph will be displayed with the stage in feet on the left y-axis, universal time on the top x-axis, flow in cubic feet per second or thousands of cubic feet per second on the right y-axis, and the site time in the time zone of the station on the bottom x-axis. The legend for the graph can be found at the bottom of the graph window. Observed levels are displayed as blue dots. The extent of the graph created data is displayed as a vertical blue dashed line. Forecasted levels are displayed as purple squares. Beneath the graph on the right-hand side, there is a drop-down menu that allows you to view the data in default hydrograph, or the data can be scaled to show flood categories. When the graph is scaled to flood categories, all the flood categories will appear on the graph. Certain flooding thresholds are highlighted in different colors. Also, the graph will show the record highest observed water level for that station. On the graph, yellow indicates the initial action stage of flooding, orange indicates minor flooding, red indicates moderate flooding, and purple indicates major flooding. Please note this will not apply to the diamond stations where only observations are available. Scrolling further down the page allows users to see the top 5 historic crests, recent crests, and low water records beneath the flood categories chart. Show More will show more data beyond the top 5. Upon further scrolling, users can view flood impacts and photos. The flooding thresholds are listed and the impact that may occur at that level, such as which streets may observe flooding. There is a map that displays the station location. Above the map, there are arrows to view the upstream and downstream stations. The About This Location section contains the latitude and longitude information for the station. This table shows a reference frame for the river stage, gauge height, flood stages, uses for the data, and other vertical data information if available. The Additional Information section and Resources section contain links and graphics for viewers to further understand the data and predictions. To download data, There is a yellow box below the left side of the hydrograph with several options. Printable image downloads a PDF of hydrograph. Tabular data, which can be seen in Universal Time or Eastern Standard Time time zone, will open a new tab so that you can copy and paste selected flow and stage data into an Excel or TextPad program. Or to download the hydrograph image, click on the Download tab, the third tab above the graph. On a new page, options will include a default hydrograph or scale to flood categories graph. Right-click this image and a menu will be displayed, and there is a Save Image As option second on the menu. This will allow you to save the graph to your computer.